Pating Reviews presents PowerXL Air Fryer Grill 8-in-1. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also check out the link to this product in the description below to get it at the best possible price. Loud, but the food is delicious. Overall, the food is delicious. It is louder than most, but I'm okay with that. I haven't had any issues with smoke or extra heat, and my countertop has stayed safe. I wish the cookbook would provide more recipes catering the air fry part of the machine versus the grill part. Toasting takes a bit longer than it did in my toaster oven, but I think it's because of a couple of minutes it takes to preheat. I love that it is so functional and versatile. I definitely recommend this product. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.